Damon, there's been a lot of focus on tomorrow and the rain that we're expecting, but we have to get there first. So what about this afternoon?
Yeah, this afternoon it's going to slowly start getting a little bit soggier as we move along.
Okay, so hopefully anyone that's out and about at work that you have your umbrella with you, right?
Exactly. Yeah, you're going to need it from here on out. But yeah, let's check out what's going on here as we go throughout the rest of the day. It certainly looks like it wants to rain, and we are getting a little bit of light drizzle in a few spots now as the afternoon keeps on rolling through. All the clouds have been nice in one regard. It's not nearly as hot as it has been in recent days. That temperature is situated around 76 in Hagerstown right now. No doubt it still feels extremely muggy, but it's at least not as hot as it has been in the recent weeks where we've been in the 90s for the most part. Now, here we go. This is the mess we're going to be dealing with. We still have all of those watches out there, both flash flood and regular flood watches in effect from tonight going into Thursday morning. It begins and ends at various times depending on your exact location, but nonetheless, yes, we have quite a lot of things to watch out for as we roll along here, including that flood risk. Now here we go. Like I mentioned, the light rainfall has begun across parts of southern Pennsylvania, western Maryland. Still dry off to the south and east, but we are going to see the shower activity slowly move back toward the rest of the four-state region to the south and east here, as that heaviest rainfall from Ida is just down into Tennessee, Kentucky, and now southern West Virginia, and it's going to keep on tracking our direction as time rolls along into the evening and especially by tonight. And part of the reason why we're going to see quite a bit of rainfall is not only do we have Ida moving in here, but we have this frontal boundary draped over the region. So we have all of this tropical moisture, and this front is going to act sort of like a ramp and take all of that tropical moisture higher up into the atmosphere and create a lot more rainfall that's going to be pretty heavy at times as it does continue to move in. So here's the timeline as we roll along. We're going to see that rainfall from Ida move in here tonight. It's going to become steady pretty rapidly and then turn heavy throughout the day on Wednesday. And that's why flooding is going to be so likely. This rain is not going to let up a lot here as we're going to see that rain continue all the way into Thursday morning. And not only do we have the flood threat, but south of the exact track of Ida, which is moving through the heart of our region, there's going to be also a severe weather threat across northern Virginia and southern Maryland. So here we go. This is the excessive rainfall outlook. We are under a moderate risk. That's a 3 out of 4. The likelihood for excessive rainfall and flooding is on the higher side as we go throughout the day tomorrow. And then this is the Storm Prediction Center outlook for severe weather. We've seen this before. Slight risk here in the yellow. That's a 2 out of 5. And so we definitely have a chance to see those severe storms mixed in with all of this heavy rainfall. Let's time it out here. As we go into the afternoon, we're going to see those light showers overspreading the area, but we're not going to see consistent rainfall through the day today. It's just going to be soggy at times, and then that rain really picks up as we go into the overnight. And notice how to the north and west, it does not let up at all. You might catch some breaks to the south and east, but that's where that severe weather is going to be possible. And look at just how heavy this precipitation is through the afternoon and evening tomorrow before things finally start to wrap up as we get past midnight and go into Thursday morning. So rainfall totals, yes, it hasn't really changed much from earlier this morning. We are still anticipating 3 to 6 inches of rainfall being possible. The highest amounts will be across western Maryland, the eastern panhandle, and into southern Pennsylvania, as locally higher amounts could reach closer to 8 inches of rain. So no doubt this is likely to be a pretty significant event. Try to take every precaution that you can right now. Clear those storm drains, clear your gutters out, allow this water every possible way to drain out of here, because flooding is looking pretty likely at this point across a good number of locations. But we will quiet down and things are looking up at least as we go toward the end of the week with temperatures in the 70s and plenty of sunshine.